Louis, no. Listen, no. You behave. Here, look. Beavis? In the name of... What's he doing? I don't know. God. Louis, you better behave. I'm telling you, you better behave, Louis. Be good, Louis. Quit it. Louis, quit it. No, Louis. No. Louis. Boy, he's a natural little booger. Booger, go, man. Crazy. You crazy, booger. You crazy. Settle down. Settle down. You settle down, Louis. No. No. Well, that's it. You're getting, see, look at all the trouble you're getting yourself into. You better think about it. Sit there a minute. That's what I'd be doing. Chill out. It's time to go to bed. Let's go to bed, Louis. Come on. Wouldn't be thirsty, would he? Thinking maybe he would. Just a tad. I'm looking down there. The old boy's gonna put away his last there or two. Now, Lord knows what he's doing now. He's giving me that look like, don't mess with you, I've had a drink. Alright, let's just chill out and go in here and rest. Yeah, let's just go in here and sit down, Louis. Come on, let's go lay down. Let's go rest, bud. It's been a rough day, huh? I'll call it quits here, Big Daddy. Yeah, let's do. Come on. No, see, I'm gonna put that thing up. I don't know how to operate that thing. You know what will get me there. Let's go in here and sit down, Lou. Come on. Come on, bub. Walking in the living room here. And
should have pulled a fingerprint off his
watch a little bit of CSI, me and Lou. He's gonna get up there. Well, lo and behold, he's gonna crash a little bit there. Alright, Padre, we'll see you on the next episode. Alright. 10-4, Ren 10.